You know what's really scary?
What?
Mach A4.
Oh god, that is terrifying.
Next patch confirmed.
You know what's really, really, really scary?
What?
My hairline.
Mach F3H.
Oh!
Dude, what the fuck
Maybe we'll get the Super Demon Edge patch.
Oh yeah.
Is there even such thing?
Yeah,
there
thing.
is. Caitlin read about it yesterday.
Did she?
No,
Yeah.
that was today, dude. Remember, we just fell asleep after.
Was? No, it was
that was today. Remember, we were in the F4. I was in the F4. You were in the F100.
Oh yeah.
Then we both, and then we got off and slept, and then came back.
Yeah, that was today. I remember. She was talking about the Super Demon with a better engine.
Yeah, she was reading about the F4, then all of a sudden, boom, Super Demon, boom. What the fuck?
Just look it up on Google, Panda.
I was saying, like, I know all this.
1N, single seat, F3H.
Apparently, it had an interchangeable nose cone.
Yeah, it had an interchangeable nose cone.
J71.
I'm just looking at YouTube.
F3H2 is the one we have. F3H1, yeah.
For a moment.
Ooh, there's an F3H2M armed with AIM-7 Sparrows.
Ooh.
Interesting.
Why?
The F3H2 can hold both Sparrows and Sidewinders.
Shark, I do enjoy.
Wait, was that F4 inspired off of the F3H as well?
Yeah, I'm not seeing no Super Demon, fam.
Dude,
it's a thing.
It's a thing.
I've seen images of it.
It exists.
It does exist.
Okay, then what's the numbers on it?
It's literally just F3H Super Demon.
It equips with like a J11 or J something engine.
And apparently, and then there was a model of it that was supposed to have like an interchangeable nose cone.
Interchangeable nose cone.
Jesus Christ. You mean the J73? J73?
I can't remember.
F3.
Which is basically the same engine that they've slapped in
Yeah, no, it's a thing. No.
Are they supposed to be dogfighting?
F3H Super Demon is a subsonic swept-wing United States Navy carrier-based jet aircraft.
Calm down, shit, don't read the whole fucking thing from goddamn Wikipedia. Calm down.
It's not from Wikipedia.
Free encyclopedia that
I think it's supposed to be dogfighting.
It's from McDonald's website.
He'd be dead.
From their website, though. Yeah, no, it's a thing. Manufacturer of McDonald's Douglas Aircraft Corporation. First build was in 1951, Jesus.
Oh, do Oh god, engine turn off, shut up.
I love how when I go to images, there's the WarThunder model of the F3H.
Bro.
Funny.
Yeah.
Inaccurate, go to hell.
Inaccurate, bullshit.
Go to hell.
Yes, I agree. Okay, what the fuck?
My bro, can you like not, like, you know, suck souls out of people's bodies up so close to the mic?
Oh my god.
I mean, I can't move the mic from my face. It's like, I can move it up.
I'm concerned that this fire's gonna spread to my tail.
I'm sure that's not how WarThunder physics work.
Well,
you know what? You never know. It'll just sneak
blow.
its way through.
Wait, who's that speaking?
Just penetrates aircraft, blows up world. Yes, I agree. Blows up
Imagine it blows
nuclear
up
bomb
all the
stored
planes
inside.
on
No, there's a nuclear bomb inside that B-29. Changed my mind.
Castle Bravo.
No, it's just the B-29 is just literally L3s.
Yes.
Oh no, discovered. Let's run.
Oh shit.
Oh wait, you're doing
They said no donuts.
No, Joe, that for a moment when a B-29 begins
I'm gonna
donuts.
consume tea.
No.
Yeah,
No.
go ahead.
Let's get consumed.
Go ahead and ask around to eat him.
I want to see this movie. Oh, he stopped moving.
Permission to consume.
Turtle, ask around to eat him. Ask around for permission to eat him.
Tank, no, stop turning. Tank, no.
I think he's trying to taxi with a one engine, yet he doesn't realize the yaw output is just ass.
Or I think he was trying to turn into his specific. Okay, yeah, he was trying to.
Yeah, there you go. There you go.
He was trying to turn into angle.
I
And
Look,
I
a bunch of freaking jets and then a Spitfire and a bunch of biplanes. I agree.
we're the talk of the town here.
Yes, we're important.
We're the
We're
best here.
important.
We're
We're a
the
bunch
best
of
here.
dumb
Gonna be
biplanes that can take
25
off within 2
degrees.
seconds.
Bro, but there's like no one here. Why would this airshow take so long?
That's a
It takes
really
10
good
minutes
question.
per display, and our display takes about 10 minutes.
15
that
minutes.
We're like, yeah, we're gonna take all the time. Yes.
Yes, we're
Isn't
gonna be
that
the
a
talk of the
display
show.
going on now? Isn't that one of the P-47 display?
Yes.
Yeah, that's their display. They're apparently
agree.
dogfighting or something.
I agree. Well, let me see this. So they've got. Okay. So first is Spitfire, then there's Hunter, Phantom, P-40. Oh wait, we're actually pretty far in display. Oh no, I think those ones weren't there then.
Yes, we're the second to last, unless people don't show up and they move us.
And then there's a break, which
I don't
switches
think anyone is
aircraft.
gonna show
And
up,
10 minutes
'cause there's,
later,
like,
there's an
barely anyone
F4F. Then there's a CL-13, F4E, MD-452, F4E.
Yes, Gamer, everyone sees the list. You don't have to read out the list. We all have a copy of the list.
There's wow, it says we're on A2Ds. What is this?
Stop sucking off your mic, please. Thank you.
Please and thank you. Now go shut up.
No, do not.
We know what you be doing at the strip club. You just
Bro.
don't need to
Jesus
In GTA.
Christ. Oh god, you guys are scary.
I want to take you to a gay bar.
Alright, 109, there's a lot of pressure on this landing. If you don't butter, you're illegal. You will be banned.
I thought you were illegal. You're 13.
You're not wrong.
I can barely see the
What are you doing at a
109.
strip club?
Oh my god, what the fuck?
That slam, that was a slam. That was
It's
not
not
butter.
funny. Yeah, he's
That
bad.
was,
You
that
should have
was not
3
butter.
pointed. You're
0
bad.
out of 10.
0 out of 10 would not land again.
I would not fly with Ryanair.
Would not fly with Ryanair, I agree.
Tankarang, what are you doing on the runway at this present moment? Please taxi off. We have players trying to land.
You switch frequencies.
Yes.
Oh,
How do you feel?
okay.
I switched to ground frequency.
I feel ignored.
He crossed you
You've been ignored.
Crossed you up. He switched frequencies.
Alright, calm down, calm down.
Alright, everyone go ahead and ram the KA-50.
No,
It's illegal.
unless you want to get kicked
Exactly.
and lose reputation.
You have to respect Rogue. He's the one that got us in here on time. There's
Yeah, he's
one
pretty
spot
cool.
left by the time that we got here, and I applied us. So kind of got it.
Ah, good point. Alright, fine. He is the obsec. He is the. You know what? Fuck that word. To the to the KA-50
So
role
dumb.
of termination.
It's like Eric Turtle.
Yes, I agree.
Not like some good old just like some turtles. What the hell?
I was just having a stroke there.
I'm gonna murder this PS3 game case.
Oh my god.
Yes.
Let me just touch
I'm
that
looking at a
PS3.
picture of the one of the F3Hs, the early demons.
Yeah.
It literally
Proceeds to nut.
just looks like a Phantom. I shit you not.
Two
It's
engines.
got 2 engines.
Yep, I've seen that.
Looks like a Phantom, but it's got 1 pilot.
It's got one pilot.
Oh, guys, it's got 1 pilot, guys.
Whoa,
There's one pilot.
that's fucking illegal. We need a Rio.
Basically, the F3HG.
We need the family models. Those are better.
No, the F3HG is a swept bag. It looks just like the Phantom.
Family-friendly F3H.
Then again, I
I
mean,
agree.
to be honest,
P-47 on approach. We must judge a landing.
to be honest,
The Council of F3Fs doesn't approve.
Yeah, the Council of F3Fs will approve of this
Donald Douglas
landing.
did make
The council will decide
all
your
of these
fate.
shit.
The Council will decide your fate.
Oh my God! There's a beautiful
I
picture
am
on.
the
There's a
Senate.
beautiful picture of the
Not
Coast Guard,
yet.
and it shows an F2H, an F3H, and an F4 Phantom formation.
Does he not? Oh no, it was just not loading it for me.
Butter.
Ow,
That was pretty rough.
that
No,
was
I
rough.
didn't see it.
The Council of F3H denies you the right to play.
Disapproves.
All right, Council, shut your lips,
You will now be eliminated.
Why do we have to shut our lips?
because I am the head chairman.
Ah shit. Alright, he must decide.
I am the Senate.
I am the Senate. Shall the P-47 live or die? Panda, you must now decide the fate.
Dash to the FP-47.
Okay, calm down. Calm your titties.
I cut mine off.
Oh, okay.
You know, I'm streaming now, right?
Oh.
Nice.
Oh, let me go on his YouTube channel.
Shark, I'm telling you, man, if you stream this while we're doing formations and you like fucking, if you eat shit, your ass is
It's
mine.
your
You get
fault.
back to the server.
Your ass is mine.
You get no
ass.
exception this time.
Oh, there's no audio. That's the thing. There's no Discord audio.
You sure there's
'cause
no
the
audio?
audio's
Well, yeah, of course there's no Discord audio because,
Yeah.
you know,
I'm a dumb
it's
bitch.
console.
You're an idiot.
I am an idiot.
Yeah, but you're
Inky.
sorry. How do you pass school?
That's a good question. I honestly don't know. How did I pass basic flight training? I don't know.
How did you even get a flight
That's
How did-
really a good question. Oh shit.
Why did an instructor even give you the plane?
That's honestly a really good question. Why he even said he trained me is another good question. Alright, shutting up.
Morty. Shit.
Boobs plane.
Did you say Morty?
Yes.
Morty.
Oh, stop this prop. There we go, perfectly aligned.
Morty, I just pooped myself.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Alright, I'm gonna start pooping it.
Please do.
I'm looking. That moment when the cockpit view shows your condition off.
For the super demon.
You can start petition.
I need stats.
Wait, what'd you say again? Or what'd you say again?
I'm looking for the Wikipedia for the super demon. I need stats.
And if the P-47 is here, you are allowed to eliminate.
Zap.
Ka-chow!
What the fuck?
Okay.
Did you say you were stopping a minute ago?
I was gonna start ruining the Rick and Morty joke, but
Oh shit.
What happened to that
Oh.
B-29?
I heard
Yeah,
that.
that's what
idea.
happens when you crash and you come back.
Oh, yeah, when your game
Your gear
crashes.
just kill themselves.
Alright, J out and spawn at CRB.
Oh, plane too heavy. Ugh.
I
I
died.
wonder if it did that in real life. It
What
just
the
fell
hell just
under
happened
pressure.
next to me?
The B-29 said fuck you.
Why did that B-29 just collapse?
He came
His
back.
game probably crashed and he
And,
loaded back in and it just...
Would you like to return to the current
That happened
battle?
to me during our last air show. It was really heckin' annoying. Doop 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 doop. Oh fuck.
Yeah.
Guys.
On a runway, spawns a runway.
I believe
I remember when I
Charles
used
is
to-
doing a demonstration out with the Spitfire.
We're gonna get buzzed.
I remember when I did play
The
my
pattern is full.
I remember when I played my
Negative Ghost
PS3.
Rider.
I remember when I played my PS3, I had the Transformers game, and the bottom button was broken, so I couldn't even start the game without finishing the shoot button. And I'll press this button to shoot, and I couldn't because the left button was broken.
Oh my god.
And I got
That's a
mad, and I
drama.
just like threw my PS4 out the window. I'm just kidding.
I didn't need that. Yeet.
I meant my
I can just
PS4,
play on the
sorry.
monitor. I mean, you just need a TV, you don't need the actual gaming console, right?
Says
Evidently,
who?
that's how it works. Yeah.
Says me, yeah. Man.
I remember when a P-47 just does a random, not a P, fuck, when a Spitfire does random flyovers.
To me, the worst Batman Lego game ever was the.
Yes, the super demon mock-up.
I'm sorry, who boop 2?
I never get.
Shrek.
Pink Spike.
Oh,
I just watched that.
Spike.
Ah.
What happened?
Spitfire crashed. Pink Spike.
He like went inverted and just like nosed into the ground.
Alright, I have a question.
Yeah.
If you're at a 10-0 match, and your ping
Shark, you might as well
is
stop.
999, is that considered jet lag?
Funny.
Guys, so who do you think won the P-47 versus BF-109 display?
They both did terrible landings. The Council of F3Fs votes they died.
I like the 109.
Cancel every.
Pardon me?
Cancel their life clearance.
Wait, who lost? Who lost?
I think the 109 lost.
Yeah, because I
Yeah.
think I've seen the
He
P-47
landed
get more hits.
first, and Yeah.
Yeah.
Definitely. But they both had crappy landings, so the council.
Yeah,
has
so
to,
the council had
Excuse me.
to
from
deny
life.
it.
Excuse me,
We
I
ban
didn't
you
have a
from
crappy
life.
landing.
We ban you from life.
I didn't
You
have a
banned
crappy
him from
landing.
life, but I say he lives another day.
No, you literally said I. You literally said I eliminate.
You perish. He shall perish.
I mean, on my screen it
And you
looked pretty
shall
hard,
pay
but
with
then
your
again, I am
blood.
pretty far away. Then you shall pay with your blood.
I won't die.
Die!
The worst Star Wars game ever was Lego Star Wars: The Force Awakens. Changed my
You know, I
mind.
never played any of those Lego Star Wars games.
I had Lego Star
I
Wars
just didn't like
original
them.
trilogy.
The old
I had
ones
Lego
were really
Batman.
good. The Lego
Batman.
Jurassic Park series was better.
Lego Star Wars game.
The Lego
Yes.
Jurassic Park game was better.
I cannot relate to
Yeah.
this. Who's going next?
Lego Star Wars original trilogy
I
had
think
it.
it's a Hunter and Phantom.
They're making a new one.
No,
Oh,
Hunter
no.
and Phantom are not arriving. I think it might be the B-29.
Alright.
Oh, big scare.
The B-29. I didn't see it on the list.
Black guy.
What?
Oh god, the
that's kinda-
Sunderlands are here.
Let me check. Yeah, no, it's a break. It's a break, and then there's F4Fs, which I don't think they're here.
Yeah, they're probably not gonna show up. Probably
The
should
F4F is Will.
Okay, so there's one F4F, and then yeah. So right now we're in a break.
Yeah, so there's
Apparently.
gonna be a break soon.
I'm gonna get water.
monkey.
Named.
Jerry.
Jerry. Yeah, Jerry.
Jerry.
Jerry?
Wanted.
Some.
9.
Some 9.
Millimeter.
Brownings.
In.
His.
Wings.
Chirk.
And
He.
Also.
Wanted.
2.
Avengers. Galates.
You can only say one word.
And we have to restart because that is multiple
Okay.
words.
I meant to say Galates
Right,
instead
right.
of Avengers. Whoopsies.
Alright.
Galates. Put those. Go.
Let's try to make this funny. Ready? Once.
There.
Dead. Was.
A.
Jew.
Lovely.
We're going this way. Okay.
We're
That.
going this way. All right. Cards Against
German
Humanity.
Legion
Let's
is
go. All
leaving.
right, Chirk, speak your words.
I said that.
Oh. Was.
Why is my game looking so weird?
Also.
Catholic.
And
He.
Was.
About.
2.
Fuck.
What?
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 A.
He was about to.
I swear to God, if we had somebody else here in your position, we would have got the result we wanted.
Yeah.
I don't know what's happening.
Anyone else wanna go?
gassed! He was about to be gassed!
Oh my god.
Okay,
Anyone else wanna-
There was a different
Yeah.
different term that I was expecting.
God!
There was a different
I
term
knew
that I
Beams
was
was sitting there
expecting.
waiting for it. Just like.
I was like, fuck. What do I say? And I said fuck, and I'm like, fuck.
God damn it.
It's all the fuck. I'm like,
Someone
I
else-
know what to say, but I don't know what to say.
Someone else want to volunteer?
Yeah, who wants to join the council of
Alright,
dumbasses?
alright, ready. Once.
Yeah.
There.
Okay, if you say
Was.
there one more time, I swear to God.
Wait, can I join?
Yeah.
Can I join?
Yeah.
So it'd be after
You
Beams.
go after Beams.
It'd be after me.
Okay, once.
Upon.
Time.
There.
Was.
A.
Plane.
Shaped.
Spitfire made a really
Like-
rough landing.
A.
L.
Triangle.
You can always say period and say another word.
Okay, can we pause this?
Yes.
Pause this for a second. Fucking, when I said L, I was hoping somebody said on.
Oh, hell on.
On? What?
L on his forehead.
Oh no.
I hate. I do not approve.
Shaped like an L on a. I hate you. I hate you.
Well,
I'm sorry,
you
man.
start
The
going
memes take over.
to run, hit the ground running.
Alright, where were we?
There.
Shark.
Was. Beams go.
A.
Ship. I don't know. What?
Ship.
That.
Ship. I said a random word.
Wanted.
To.
Have.
A.
Gun.
Period.
Now you
Called.
say the word shark because period isn't a word, so you end
True,
it.
true. But
It.
Had. I don't know.
A.
Small.
I believe we're going on break now.
That's what we have been. I'm pretty sure we have been.
Now that
Shark.
Spitfire was
Small.
finishing up his demonstration.
I didn't hear.
Small.
Gun.
It.
Was.
Just pause. If he wanted a gun, why did he have
Hey.
a gun?
Why did he have a, he wanted a bigger gun?
Why was it a? Why is it a ship?
He wants a galley. Because why the hell not?
Alright. Alright, hold on.
Vagina.
It's a small gun. It was the fucking Makarov.
Okay, ready? There.
Once.
He has the 15. He has the Harrier.
Oh, you don't. Okay. Let me tell you what I have.
No,
7.
shut up!
No, you can just assume. I'm not gonna share anything.
No.
Meow.
I won't share anything.
Meow. Meow. I know the planes that game at.
Who wants to watch this B-29 crash with me?
Can we continue what we were doing?
Oh, that he's coming in a bit fast. He's coming in too fast.
Dies.
Is it break
Did
time?
someone land? Oh
Yeah, it's
god,
break
that's a
time.
B-29.
He's coming in too fast.
Alright, boys, I'm taking it from the taxiway and landing back on
Is
here
this
like
gear
a
even down, though?
Oh, he's going around.
Yeah, because of the seal.
Oh, not.
What? He doesn't have his gear out.
He's coming in too fast for gear. I love how the fucking F3, F2 is like...
No, his gear is out.
Where you can drop your gear and
What kind of approach
is this? Yeah, he's gonna slam.
That's a safe approach. He's gonna touch smoothly. And kiss.
Council at
Bouncy.
Alright.
You're like,
three
and
members,
kiss, and
three members of the Council of F3Fs disapprove.
Alright, I don't know.
I
Don't count my
didn't.
voice.
He was coming in at a weird angle, and he was coming
Yeah,
in too
definitely.
fast. I disapprove.
Alright, I vote murder. I vote execution by firing his gun.
Yeah, so I think his wings are just gonna give us a haircut when he comes.
Yeah.
Like you cut G.
Links are scary.
I wish the fucking Super Demon existed.
If only.
They didn't?
No, it was only a mock-up. The
I
Super
think
Demon was a
CL13
mock-up.
is
Man.
ready for his demonstration. It's fire.
I'm gonna bet $5 WarThunder makes it, Gaijin makes it a premium aircraft.
Super Demon was just a mock-up for the Phantom. It was pre-Phantom. That's all it was.
Watch them make it a premium aircraft.
And then, of course, you know, with the Super Demon turning into the Phantom, and it was all sleek and sexy, they just had to put a fucking Rio in the back because make it ugly. Nose too long.
Yeah, go ahead and give him a goose.
Much nicer with its little.
Don't need money.
And it was much smaller too.
Goose eject!
Crack.
I can't. I'm pinned forward. I can't reach the ejection handles.
Also, another fun part about the Phantom is it could have had straight elevators, but now it's got angled elevators and looks stupid.
Phantom.
I like the angled elevator show.
Well, you do, but I mean, I could do without them. Kind of like the fuel tanks on the wingtips of the fucking F2H.
Why?
Well,
one good reason.
that's a given.
Why?
I mean,
Why do those
it's
exist?
better without them. And plus,
But-
you would have got the side-mounted 20.
Hey everyone who wants to get a haircut by this B29.
I just got my.
No, I'd rather not be
today.
touched in inappropriate ways by this
Actually,
He's on
B29.
the other taxiway anyway.
Just
He's
give it
not
a
gonna
slight
touch us.
trim.
Like you cut G.
He's just gonna cut through the grass and be like, time to murder.
Like you cut
Alright, where's that firing squad? He's supposed to be eliminated by now.
Everyone, arm the Hispano.
Yeah. Arm your American 50 cals, arm your Hispanos, arm your whatever. Commence attacking.
Yeah, he drives past and just open fire.
So just go ahead and drop a Zard Bomba on him.
Drop a Castle Bravo.
I'm definitely getting a haircut today.
Drop a
Oh, you're
GBU
gonna
15.
haircut. You're gonna get a prop cut.
Yow. Oh my
these
god,
4F4s, these 4F4s.
canopy gone.
Damn.
Yep. That's not like
Imagine
it
if he crashes into the hangar.
I love
That'd
how
like
what
low-key, man.
Gaijin was just like, yeah, we're just gonna put in all the 104s, only give America 2 of the most shittiest versions, and that'll work.
And continue on with the day.
Because there seems to be a very common occurrence here, is America gets all of the shit versions
The
of their
caca
own
versions of the
aircraft,
planes that
and
they
Yeah,
made.
of their own
gets
aircraft.
the improved versions of the aircraft.
Which is like, what the fuck?
It's because Gaijin doesn't like America.
Well, not even that. It's
They're
more so
Russian.
Well,
They're
the
Russian, so...
Russian
I
bias.
know they're Russians.
But it's
I
just-
mean, shit. If they would have give us, maybe perhaps, just on a limb here, a B-26, or a Marauder, fast
maybe
engine bomber boy,
B-36.
5.
Mm-hmm.
I hate jet engine.
Because the rest got their Su
That is
7s.
an
Give us
F-86,
fucking
F-25.
105.
Or
Hey, Mike,
perhaps give us the 104 G that we were supposed to have, or F.
Yeah.
Or the 105.
Look, man, fuck you and your 105. I want my F5.
Hey.
Oh yeah, F5E.
I want my fucking Tiger, bitch.
Yes.
Well,
Yeah.
Fuck that 105. I want my F5.
Yeah, F5, and they have to make a 28 skin.
will they make the 105 an attacker though, or would it just be an intercept?
It'd be
an
a bomber.
attacker. It'd be a bomber.
The Thunder chip would be a bomber, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
It'd be quite hard to use.
Alright, boys, let's get our F4s in formation and fly like 105s.
They probably kick us from the session.
Let's touch those MiGs.
2 minutes.
It's so retarded when you look at the F4 Phantom. You're like, yes, no gun pod, no mounted gun. Oh, we're getting our ass clapped. Let's just slap a gun in there. Done. Welcome to the E model.
F4C with the fucking 3 mount pods.
Shreds.
And the funny
cheeks.
part was,
They didn't
When they were
barely any
from it.
F4Cs or Bs or As got the option of gun pods. They made
which
that
is
afterwards because they were like, oh shit, we don't have any offensives. And then they
like,
made
we're
the
getting ass
E.
clapped.
CL-13
Because,
Mark 4 takeoff.
they thought the missile...
I can't believe they took the tracers off it though.
So did I just hear an aircraft taking off at Mach 4?
No, it's
Yeah,
Mark
this-
4.
this- the Mark
CL-13
4.
Mark 4.
Yeah, no, my Discord ate shit as he said that, so I'm like, what's happening?
And there he goes with that
My
poop smoke.
man is now naked because the decals got destroyed.
How do you feel you're naked?
Why did you give everyone a haircut when you were taxiing? You gave like the F4s like a trim.
A canopy cut.
A chop top.
Yeah. You gave a Spitfire a prop cut.
Yes.
I'm gonna
Up
clip
truck,
your shit,
up
bro.
prop
Just-
truck. Just nom. Just went full on nom mode. on
Okay,
these
then
guys.
it's the F4E,
I got
and then
hungry.
it's the MD, then another F4E, then there's another break.
got hungry for air.
Yeah.
I'm
By quicker than
starving,
I
Jesus
thought.
Christ. I'm gonna go grab food real quick. I'll be right back.
I'm gonna listen to some music.
You do
I have
that.
all the time in the world. I can take my dog out.
Either that, or I might just sit here while I'm on Discord and play on my PS4. If I